Good morning, children. In my last class, I started a new lesson number 1, muscular system. So today we are going to talk on this little bit deeply. What exactly skeletal muscle stands for, and smooth muscle, meaning of smooth muscle we are going to know, and what are the roles of this muscles and all we are going to know. And one more is what? Heart muscle. And heart muscle is also called as cardiac muscle. So let us find out in deep. Briefly we are going to find out. According to the place where muscles are, they can be of 3 different types. So anyhow you can see in this picture there are 3 different type of muscles. They are skeletal muscle, smooth muscles and heart muscle. Heart muscles are also called as cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles. These are muscles which are attached to the bones. So skeletal muscles are attached to the bones. They pull the bones to make movements of hands and legs. So they are pulling the They are pulling the bones to make some movements of hands and legs. We can control these muscles. Children. If you want to write something and if you want to stop, you can stop. If you want to write, then you can keep on writing. So we can control these skeletal muscles. Then come to smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are related to our intestines. These are muscles on the walls of internal organs. Smooth muscles are on the walls of internal organs. For example, muscles of stomach, intestine and so on. They are not attached to the bones. These muscles are not attached to the bones, children. Which muscles are not attached to the bones? Smooth muscles are not attached to the bones. And where you can find smooth muscles? In your stomach. What are there? Intestines and so on. Stomach, intestine and so on. Now we are coming to heart muscle. Heart muscle can also called as cardiac muscle. CARDIAC, cardiac muscle. These muscles are found only in the heart. Now let us come to understanding bit. Before understanding, let us recapitulate. We have 3 type of different muscles in our body. What are they? Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, heart muscle. Heart muscle can also called as cardiac muscle. Keep in mind, keep on reading. So now we are going to learn both the smooth and the heart muscles are not controlled by us. So here smooth muscles as well as heart muscle. Heart muscle is also called as cardiac muscle. Are not controlled by us. They work throughout the day on their own with the help of our brain. So these both smooth muscles as well as heart muscles are not controlled by us and they work throughout the day on their own with the help of our brain. So brain is playing very important role for these 2 muscles. What are the muscles here he mentioned? Smooth muscle as well as heart muscle, cardiac muscle. Now let us come to vocabulary part, children. Let me recapitulate the vocabulary which I explained you in last class. First one, cardiac muscle. Second one, skeletal muscle. Third one, smooth muscles. Then fourth one, muscular systems. Then fifth one he mentioned muscles. Today it's only 4. So whenever you start writing, children, you write the above one as well as today's also. Vocabularies. First one, tighten, TIGHTEN, tighten. Then next one, LOOSEN, loosen. Then next one, FIST, fist, fist. MOVEMENT, movement. So whatever you are writing, read and write. A number of time I said you all, because to improve your reading as well as your handwriting. Your activity part will be, children, draw intestines. It is very easy to draw, and intestines are related to what? Smooth muscles. Keep in mind.